Welcome to the hidden world of consumer packaged goods. You might think a 180 rupee bottle of Dove shampoo goes straight from the factory to your shelf, but the reality is much more complex. It travels through 5 distinct nodes. From the manufacturer, it moves to a CNF agent, the logistics post office that stores the goods. Then it goes to the distributor, the engine of sales. Finally, it reaches the retailer, and only then the consumer. To understand the data, you first have to understand this journey. But not all journeys are the same. There are 2 paths to the consumer. On the right, you have modern trade, big chains like D-Mart. They buy directly, bypass intermediaries, and offer deep discounts. But the real challenge, and our massive opportunity, is on the left, general trade. This is the network of 10 million small kirana stores. It's complex and fragmented, but it's the heartbeat of Indian retail. This is exactly where our recommendation engine adds the most value. Now, let's follow the money. Where does that 180 rupees actually go? As the bottle moves down the chain, everyone takes a cut. The CNF agent, the distributor, the retailer, plus a chunk for taxes. By the time the dust settles, the manufacturer realizes only about 65 rupees, roughly 36% of the MRP. This is why efficient distribution isn't just nice to have, it's where the profit lives. So why obsess over distribution? Here is the fundamental truth of CPG. Availability drives sales more than awareness. You can spend millions on ads, but if a customer wants your product and finds a competitor's on the shelf, that sale is lost forever. A product available in 1 million stores will almost always beat a heavily advertised product that's only in 100,000. That's why we analyze the data to make sure the right product is always within reach.